Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by enabling what the system needs: location services and share my location. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, toggle Location Services on. Next, open your Apple ID settings, tap Find My and turn on Share My Location. Choose the device to share from if you have multiple. Once done, open Messages or the Find My app and pick a contact to share with. You can select 1 hour, until end of day, or indefinitely depending on trust. Now you'll view and request live location using Find My or Messages. Open Find My and tap People. Anyone sharing will appear with a live location marker. If you prefer Messages, open a conversation with that person, tap their name, then tap Share My Location or ask to follow location. Choose Live Location to receive continuous updates. Make sure both devices have internet and location active, otherwise the app shows the last known location and won't update in real time. Finish by confirming the device you're tracking has battery, network access, and correct time settings because these affect real-time accuracy. If you see location not available, tell them to reopen settings and re-enable Share My Location or sign out and back into iCloud. Make sure background app refresh and notifications are allowed so updates and alerts arrive. If problems persist, restart both iPhones and check for iOS updates. Those steps often clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.